Is this thing recording? We are back with a new fucking episode, you guys. It's gonna be a rough one today. I'm already knowing, bro. My legs are still a little bit sore from my last leg day, so I'm not gonna go too crazy with it. It's mostly my hamstrings, so I'm actually starting out with leg extensions today. I don't think I'm gonna be doing any big lifts. I'm gonna just do, actually, I'm gonna do legs and core today. So we're gonna get this core fired the fuck up. Let's see what the hell we got. Starting out with some, I got my warm-ups in for these leg extensions. Now let's see what the fuck we get with them, y'all. Let me change this angle up. It's gonna be a rough fucking day, y'all. It's I got 12 of 3 plates, and I was feeling janky. My shit already feeling swollen in this bitch. So let's see how my next set goes. All right, it's just feeling. Ooh. You know, I would have took a break, a rest day, but I just really didn't want to. I was like, fuck that. I'd rather go get a little bit of work in as long as it's lightweight. You know, less volume, you know, whatever the fuck, as long as I'm still moving in this bitch. I just don't like taking days off, you guys. Probably not for the best here, but again, I'll just take it easy today. Let's see what the hell we got. I forgot my fucking headphones today, but again, bro, they be playing bangers, look at that. They be playing like classics, they be playing some fucking new school, old school, 2010 shit. They be playing Chief Keef in this bitch. I'm like, this is the type of gym you want to be involved in, guys. If they got some, like, man, the one I work at, not bashing, and I'm not gonna say the name because of that, but not bashing the one I work at, but they be playing like some fucking 80s pop hits. And that's like, look, I ain't the person to hate, but man, if it ain't getting me hyped up, what the fuck is we doing, y'all? Like, let's keep this shit rolling. Yeah, I took a good break there. My shit was already fucking on fire now. It's set 2. Let's get this rolling, you guys. Come on. Oh Lord, 13 of those whores. And guys, you want to make sure you're getting like a little bit of a squeeze at the top. I don't always do it. Like days like today, my quads are already beat, so I'm like, I'm not gonna just push it like crazy. But on the days I'm going hard and I'm really trying to get some gains out this shit, you want to get like a second squeeze at the top, about a 1 second squeeze at the top, just to really get that control contraction. All right, set 3 in this bitch. I might just stick with 3 sets. Let's see what the hell we got. I want to get some core going. It's you know, yes, I'm one of those fuckers that doesn't get enough core work in. And don't get me wrong, like it's because I used to just like only think about core when I was doing like big exercises. But the thing is, I'm not even doing like fucking squats or deadlifts and shit like that anymore. So like my core isn't even engaged in a lot of these exercises. Sure, they still got to be engaged a little bit, like your hat squats and pendulum squats, but it's a lot more when you're doing like an actual barbell squat or actual deadlifts and shit like that. So it's like I gotta get some shit rolling after this. So let's get it, set 3.
Your tracks today.
Man, you can't even see. I should have changed the angle up, but hey, we got 14 in this motherfucker, y'all. Let's keep it rolling. I don't gotta go too much because I am planning on doing some cardio later and tomorrow because it's Friday, so I tend to do my cardio on Friday and Saturday now. So I don't want to go too crazy. I don't want to cramp up while I'm doing all my shit. So we'll call it there, y'all. Let's keep it. Ooh. All right. This is my favorite. This is one of my favorite ab exercises right here. Just because I'm like, this one is 10 out of 10 stimulus. So let's get this shit rolling. Let's see what we got today. Okay, too fucking light. I'm jumping up like a motherfucker. We're doing 4 sets of this shit. Come on. All right. We went up a good. I was doing 90 for that last one. I played myself. We went up a good 30 pounds here. Let's see what the hell we get. Come on. fire ass set right there. 14 of those bitches. Let's keep it rolling, you guys. I went up a little bit here because that shit was feeling great last set. Let's see what we got. Mm. 12 of those whores. Okay. Fucking hell. 12 is a good number, I think, because this shit is feeling right on the door to right here, you guys. Ow. Oh. I might just poke the fuck out myself. But this is what I was super setting with. I forgot to record the last set, but let's see what we got.
Just your tracks today.
Oh, Lord. Hell yeah. Sit 2 down, let's go, let's go. We're sticking with this same way. This shit was rough as fuck, so let's see what we got. Come on. Lord have mercy. Okay. Oh yeah, let's call it. Let's call it. That was a good fucking set right there. Let's keep it pushing. I'm just doing one more set of this shit right here because my core is on fire right the fuck now. So, oh, god damn. See, I don't do this shit enough. Let's do it though. Yeah. 10 of those is good enough. Let's keep it rolling. Let's get back to legs. See what the fuck we got. Moving on to single leg presses, you guys. Just cause this shit is. I was gonna do some like ATG split squats, but I'm not gonna lie. My body is calling it. So these are like, I can get a good fucking work. I can get a good workout with the single leg press. I mean, this is like a. I don't even know what the hell this one's actually called. It's almost like a pendulum, but like seated. And so we'll see what the fuck we get out of here. I'll show you guys a different angle so you guys can get a better look. I've done this before on camera, but let's see what the hell we got. We're doing for single legs. Come on. Okay, that's how we do it. Maybe just because I went to core after that last leg exercise. Might have to make this like a staple right here. Like switching from one leg day where it's like legs, core. Because I need, again, like I said, I got to work on this motherfucker right here. I'm trying to get some definition in this bitch. I know that most of it is going to be fat loss, and that's why I'm cutting. But you also need to have some muscle here too if you want some fucking, if you want to show something, right? So let's keep it going, ladies and gents. Yeah, that was a damn good set. Let's see what the fuck we got over here. I'm gonna stick with this weight, see what the hell we get out of it. Let's go for 12 again. Come on. Oh yeah. Fuck. Oh shit. 14. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like I usually do less weight on this bitch, but it's feeling great today. I'm gonna stick to this weight. 1 or 2 more sets. We'll see how the next one goes. See, I don't even know how I'm doing with the angles no more, but this motherfucker about to die. So let's get this shit rolling, y'all. Come on, set 3. And I think this will be it for single leg press because my shit's cooked up yet again. That's all we need for that shit, y'all. Let's get a little pump check going. Cause, again, my shit's about to die. I thought I charged my shit overnight, but obviously I tweaked. Let's do this shit. All right, y'all, I'm gonna just hold this shit to get this pump check in. Let's see where the legs are at right here. It's a rough one, huh? I'm like, fuck. Legs are pumped the hell up. Yo, they're cooked. Hey, but we're getting them fucking gains in here, ladies and gents. That's what the fuck I'm talking about. Thank everybody for tapping in. Go like, comment, share, subscribe. Put your dog on. Put your aunties on. Put your fucking grandma on. I appreciate the hell out of all you guys. Catch you guys on the next one. I'm gonna go finish this shit off with some more legs and some core. Adios, everybody. I'm gonna go on.